How to export emails from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Excel. So here I am in the Outlook application. So for example, if you want to export your emails right here in Outlook into a Microsoft Excel file, we can go ahead and do that right here. So for example, what you need to do is that you just need to click on File right here at the top, then click Open and Export. After that, you can just click Import/Export right here. Then from here, you need to choose Export to a file. From there, we need to click Next. And then we need to choose comma separated values so that our file will be exported into Microsoft Excel. Click Next again. From here, you can choose the specific folder that you want to export, but I'm just going to use my inbox. From here, click Next. And then from here, you can go ahead and click Browse and then browse to a location where you want to save the file. So for example, I want to save it in this folder right here. Then for the name, I'll just put Outlook exported emails, for example. Then we can click OK, then click Next. From here, we can turn on the check right here, and then the map custom fields will open. So if this didn't open, you can just make sure that this has a check, then select it, and then click Map Custom Fields. So from here, you can go ahead and choose like the things that you want to export from your Outlook email. So right now, we just have the From field, the To field, the BCC field, and the CC field. So if you want to export the subject of the email, you can just drag it from the left and then right here to the right. Then we can also do that for the body of the email. We can drag it right here to the right. Then if you want to export more details like billing information, categories, importance, and so on, you can go ahead and just drag it to the right. But I'm just going to use this one, the From, the To, the BCC, the CC field, and then the subject and body. From here, click OK, then click Finish. Then after it has finished, we need to open the location of the file. So I'm just going to open my file explorer right here. And then now I have went to the location of the folder where the exported file is. And then we can find it right here, which is I think this one, the Outlook exported emails.csv. So we can double click on that so that we can open it. Here is the Microsoft Excel. Then we'll just wait for it to finish loading. Then we have our exported emails right here. So I'm just going to adjust the columns right here. So it's not responding. So let me just wait for a bit until it's finished loading. So now that Excel has finished loading, we can now see our exported emails right here. So we can see the From field right here. We have the To field, the BCC field, the CC field, the subject of the email, and then the body of the email right here. So you can go ahead and do the steps that I have done so that you can export your emails into a Microsoft Excel file. And then that is it. So that is how we can export emails from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Excel. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.